How you doing out there? Todd Uminski back. Monday motivation into November. Almost at the end of the year. Hope everybody's doing well out there. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to this channel. I want to talk today about the ever-changing culture, things that are going on out there in the world, how life is just can stress you out in all different angles. If you listen to the news, it's just depressing. The multiple wars that are being fought right now, feels like the world's coming to an end, and you can't think that way. You need to keep yourself in your own bubble. You got to start turning off. It's good to have the news a little bit so you know what's going on, but you got to get back into your bubble, into the way your life is. Stay focused on you and your family, your work, your business, your fun time. You got to just keep things going, because without you keeping things going, well, guess what? The things around you will start falling apart. So you got to stay focused. So again, things I like to do, every morning I wake up with gratitude. When I wake up, I don't jump out of bed. I'll sit there for 15-20 minutes, do some meditating, think about my life, my family, where I've been and where I'm going, and I put together thoughts in my mind of positivity. I sit there and really think and feel how grateful I am. Even if I had a bad day the day before, just think about how grateful I am waking up. I mean, we're not in a battlefield, we're in a battlefield for things we want and enjoy in our life, but, thank God we're, moving forward, staying focused. That's what I think you need to do out there. When you get up, give your loved ones a hug, a kiss. Make sure you tell them you love them every day. It's super important. Make a phone call. Don't just text somebody out there. You got to call somebody so they can hear your voice, so you can know what you're talking about. You can know how you're talking. The way you express stuff isn't the same on a text. So, I believe in making phone calls and actually having a conversation with somebody. Think it's super important. Do that every day. Reach out, try to help somebody daily if you can. So that's my motivation today. Stay focused on you. Make sure you take care of you, because without you, you can't help everybody else in your life. So it's super important. So I hope that helps somebody out there today, and we'll talk to you all soon. Thank you.